GM, time for another BTC analysis. So basically, I've been coming up with this thing. It's basically is a thesis that the 1 minute trend pulls back to the 5 minute trend, goes higher, and that pulls back to the 15 minute trend and goes higher, and then they all flip bearish or something like that. I haven't really tested it, but if we see over here, the 1 minute trend starts first, break of structure, and the 5 minute starts here. So if even if we enter on the break of structure here and we put our stop loss here, right, we can basically this is has not touched the 5 minute yet. So we can basically just based off the 5 minute turning, right, we can go 14 hour, right, and then you have the 5 minutes, sorry, the 1 minute band pulling into the 5 minute band. So you have a market structure break, market break, market structure break, market structure break, market structure break, and they pull into that, and then you can long the break of structure. Like let's say if this has a market structure break and this then has a break of structure, you can long it and you can catch this trend. But even if you're not catching the 5 minute trend, just catching the 1 minute trend onto the 5 minute, let's say it turned red here, right? So you enter on the next break of structure, you put your stop there, you can capture this whole of the 5 minute trend all the way through and through. This is also true here. Let's say it flipped here and you have here, you enter on this sorry, and you enter on this break of structure, you have your stop loss at the interim low, you lose that one and then you come back here and then you have a market structure break and break of structure, enter there, and you put your stop, very tight stop over there, you would have lost it. Then you have a break of structure again. So in this case, I would put my stop loss at the liquidity because this is too small of a candle, and you can capture another 3 hour or so, right? And then you wait all the way back. So you wait for them to turn red, and another same thing here. Sometimes these trends you can catch huge trends. So let's say they turn red here. Wait for a break of structure. So you enter on the retest, or even if you don't enter on the retest, stop loss over there. This 5 minute has gone all the way back to here. So you would have caught anywhere from 10 hours. So these are all like 10 hour in a day or so, right? And the best part, sorry, as I should say, the best part is once you extrapolate this onto the 4 hour or the daily, and you can catch fucking huge runners. Like I'm talking 80 or 90 or in a single trade. And if you then every time it retests, you compound to it and you move your stop, you compound to it, you move your stop, you're gonna make some good fucking money.